Today we are going to learn how to calculate age using a date of birth column. Here B is our date of birth column. We are selecting this cell for making sure that these values are in the format of date. We are clicking right to the mouse. Then go to cell format. Then selecting any of these. Then OK. And one more thing, always remember that make sure these cells are in general format. Let's start with the process. Enter equal, then dated if bracket and value of date, comma, then date. Close the bracket, then comma. Though we want the value in year format, so we are using year y. Then close the quotation, then close the bracket. Press enter on the keyboard. Look, the butler age is 25. Drag it to the last cell. This is how you can calculate age in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video.